the week ahead. I may confuse some of you by not consistently using the same daily bar. I chose to use the SPY daily bar this week, as I think it provides the cleanest picture of what the market has done. You can see that we have clearly moved above the high on the SPY. Before we go any further, I'd like to cover a little bit of market history. It's one thing to look at the numbers, it's another thing to understand history. We talked earlier about the uncertainty in the market, and the markets hate uncertainty. We had two items giving us uncertainty: the tariffs and the potential war between Iran and Israel. Both of those were removed from the market. Once those were removed from the market, the uncertainty was removed, and historically, once a war shows an outcome, or at least a potential outcome, markets have tended to rally strongly, and that's exactly what this market did. You will see that I drew a trend line. The trend line is simply a short-term indication of what the market short-term traders are using for support. I don't necessarily think breaking that trend line is an indication of anything serious on the downside. I think to be anything serious on the downside, you would need to go back down, fill the gap, and find acceptance back in the lower portion. But for right now, the market is, the short-term traders are taking the market higher. The liquidation we had on Friday, when the president talked about a different issue with negotiation with Canada, brought liquidation, but it brought nothing more than liquidation and some short-term profit taking. There was no sign of serious selling. Right now, all signs point to the upside. As I say, I think we could have, and it would be healthy to have a little better correction before the market moves higher. Use the trend line as your short-term indicator. The week of July 4th is generally a rather muted week in the market. As you know, most traders will start to take off on Thursday, with Friday being a holiday. Additionally, the summers are slow. Most of the schools are out now, and vacations have picked up substantially. Have a great week, and happy 4th.